More than 20 inmates have reportedly died in Bilibid due to COVID-19, including some high-profile inmates. With that, some senators are saying that something does not smell right. Let's get more updates on this story with News 5's Marlene Alcaide. She is joining us live from Manila. Marlene, we know that there's a meeting that happened over at the DOJ over this matter. Tell us what happened and what was discussed.
Yes, Sean, Justice Secretary Menardo Guevara summoned Bureau of Corrections Chief Gerald Bantag this afternoon to discuss reported deaths of high-profile inmates due to COVID-19. That includes carnapping convict and alleged drug lord J.B. Sebastian, who had testified against now-detained Senator Laila De Lima in 2016. Justice Secretary Menardo Guevara met with Bureau of Corrections Chief Gerald Bantag to discuss the situation inside the New Bilibid prison amid the recent spate of COVID-related deaths among high-profile inmates in the penitentiary. Last Saturday, July 18, convict J.B. Sebastian's body was immediately cremated at a funeral parlor in Dasmariñas, Cavite, after he reportedly died due to acute myocardial infarction or heart attack caused by the coronavirus disease.
Actually, hindi namin alam talaga na high profile yan. Nalaman na lang namin start dito kay JB Sebastian na ang daming tumatawag, ang daming nagte-text na media.
Records show the same funeral parlor has cremated almost 30 bodies from Bilibid since May. The Bureau admits there were inmates who have died due to COVID-19, but they refused to give further details. They also did not confirm if the J.B. Sebastian in the list of deceased inmates is the same person who testified against Senator De Lima in 2016. Other high-profile inmates who tested positive for COVID-19 were transferred to the Bilibid's quarantine facility at Site Harry, the very area which housed Sebastian. Their families fear for the inmates' lives since they have yet to receive any updates from the NBP regarding the status of their loved ones.
Sabi po kasi nila tumawag na lang daw kami or mag-email, pero kahit po tumatawag kami, hindi rin kami ine-entertain. Kahit ano pong gawin namin, wala po kaming answer na ma-receive from them.
Senate President Tito Soto says he will file a resolution to look into the matter as there are too many unanswered questions. Other senators support Soto's move. Senator Bongo says other than the cause of death of these inmates, it is also important to determine the accountability of some authorities. Meanwhile, Senator Ping Lacson says the Data Privacy Act may apply in the case of Sebastian, but that does not preclude them from conducting an inquiry in aid of legislation. Sean, we just received an information that Justice Secretary Menardo Guevara ordered the NBI to investigate the deaths of 9 drug convicts, including J.B. Sebastian at New Bilibid Prison. Sean?
All right, I guess we'll expect more updates as the story unfolds. Thank you very much for that update, Marlene Alcaide.